Okay, so I got it out of the protective covering that it gets shipped in, and right now it's really nice, durable material. You can see the carry-on here. It's got this handle right here, which just picks up, and it's actually pretty lightweight. Let's see. Yeah, very lightweight. It has a easy to maneuver with a nice branding on top, and there's a nice cushion under here for while you're pulling it. I know for me, I sometimes get hurt from that. Looks like this is really scratch resistant and waterproof as well. All right, so let's open it up. Well, over here, the zippers, they kind of lock in here, seems like, so you can unlock it here, and so that way they're not, dangling all around. Okay, so how this works is you can input a code here, and then when you're ready to unlock it, all you need to do is just, and it pops right open. It's pretty handy. All right, let's see what it's like on the inside. Oh, great. Okay, so here on this side, there is straps in here. These seem like they're pretty strong, so you can compartmentalize what you're packing. Let's try to open these up. So you can there's even a zipper compartment in here too. A nice side bag here with the zipper. You can put a small amount of things. This is usually where I like to put like socks or something like that. Looks like it would be pretty useful. The zipper's nice. On here we have a mesh insert in here. Great place maybe to put some shoes or something. And this is interesting. I've never seen this before, but it's attached inside of the suitcase, so you can either push it all the way down, or it looks like it can come up and keep things separated. This would be good to put shirts on that you maybe don't want to get wrinkled. It also opens up, and you can put some items in there as well. Now on this side looks like there are quite a few options. This material, this clear material, is like a dense plastic, so it's really durable. It's going to keep things waterproof out of there, so good place for toiletries. Comes with a set of laundry bags as well for the dirty clothes. It's a pretty big size, or one for shoes. And then a larger one here. It's about the size of the suitcase, so it folds up really nicely. So within here, this is definitely big enough for like a full-size shampoo, or if you have a pair of really dirty shoes, something like that, definitely can fit in here. This part of the zipper is like a smooth leather, so it seems like it won't be falling apart anytime soon. This side is about the same size, less strong of fabric here than over here, because this is very durable. This still feels durable, but it's not going to be as waterproof as this side. So let's see what's under the pockets. Nice, just another great amount of space here for packing. Say this is about 4 inches deep on each side. It does expand on the outside. There are expanding zippers, but there's plenty of space in here for everything for a nice weekend trip or a week. Okay, so overall I'd say this is a really great carry-on bag. There's lots of ways to customize it. It's a nice hard shell, so it's not going to get scratched. It's going to hold up if you have to gate check it for some reason. The wheels, you can spin it all the way around, and it's a really smooth roll, very quiet. You can extend the size of it here. There's the two handles up top and the handle on the side, which makes it easy to carry and get it around. And on this side, you can even go like this and attach a bag to the top if it doesn't have a trolley sleeve. So that's very handy. So overall, I'd recommend this bag. We've attached a product link within the video description that you can go and check it out for yourself. But I'll be taking this to Amsterdam tonight, so we'll report back on how it works in the airport.